There you go.
All right, so I'm just gonna prep the area. So if you have alcohol, if you have like rubbing alcohol, you would just spray it, put it in a spray, and just prep. But as you guys know, this sanitizer is just rubbing alcohol with the hand application. All right, so I'm gonna use these two tapes here. Am I in?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So for the most part with the back, you have like the two dimples. So it kind of helps with the anchor point. So my anchor is gonna be like just below those two dimples, all right? So what I like to do with my tape, I like to set up my tape here. You see I have one. All right, and I have two. So my first anchor point is gonna be here. So one of the things that it's kind of funny and it's kind of interesting is when you're applying the tape, you gotta kind of be, sometimes you will do a tape and it's going one way, going the other way. So you kind of perfect it over time, all right? So don't worry if it's uneven, it's all about practice. So what I'm gonna do with the first one, as you see I removed the tape, I'm gonna anchor it.
Does it matter if he's twisting forward on one side because his back is kind of not
I'm gonna
straight?
align. That's the advantage of this tape. Just right here. Turn this leg up. So with the tape, the reason why you want to anchor first, because it's gonna allow you, and just face that. So you'll see here with my anchors, I'm kind of aligning what I'm gonna do with the tape. I'm not putting it and going straight up. So once I have him anchored, I make sure the ends are down, all right? And I'm just gonna pair these, all right? See what you're gonna do for me, you're just gonna bend forward. Right about here. So he's in the stretch now. Mm-hmm. All I have to do with the tape is, so you see I went 25 and I'm just gonna lay it down. I'm not gonna rub it in yet. I'm not gonna activate it. So I'm laying down the tape on the stretch. Actually, I can tell that this side's gonna be a little bit higher. And like I said, one of the things that you guys are you're gonna try to get it perfect. It may be perfect, it may not be perfect. So now he's down on the stretch. I'm gonna have him stand back up. See the convolutions? Mm-hmm. All right, and then you can feel it, right? Yeah. And then now the anchor, it's just normal. There's no stretch on the anchor. All right. And then just for me to activate it, I'm gonna just have them go forward again. And this is just for me to activate the tape. So I'm just warming it up. And you see like I got probably a couple millimeters. So that's just an anchoring issue. You see like this one's a little bit higher than that. All right, and it's in. So now as he comes up, that's letting me know I lifted that tissue. And that's a good tape right there. Cool. See the convolution? So it's all about
corrugated cardboard.
It's all about how you apply that tape. All right. So let's work on the stretch first, and then we'll have you guys put the tape. And if you want to take this off, whoever's working with Caesar, you can pull that off. All right. All right. So